Welcome to SKPVV Hindu High School Student Channel organized by old students. ED to share finding with CBI on TTI linked frozen funding rotating through US debit cards. Defense Acquisition Council approves 52 crore worth military purchase. When all else fails, people still repose their trust in the judiciary. India black leaders in letter to CGI. Madhya Pradesh judge faces Mort Fury has suo motu case to protect judicial officers seat mute in Supreme Court. Wangchuk's health worsens. CGP alleged police assault. West Asia war. Ayatollah Khamenei lead in state in Tehran elite of week-long mass funeral. NATO leaders together in Ankara aiming to smooth over tension with Trump. Rupee raises 14 pice to close at 95.21 against US dollar. Telangana RTC Center to East Finance Commission norms for tribal scheduled or GPS. Fishermen warned of Andhra Pradesh. Coast has heavy rain, strong winds forecast. Andhra Pradesh Intermediate Board direct praises junior college staff for fostering talent. Andhra Pradesh Tribal Ashram school warden carries Sikh goal on shoulders for 6 kilometers to ensure timely medical care. FIFA World Cup Ronaldo Ramos scored has Portugal fights back to beat Croatia set up round of 16 cash with Spain. Like, share and subscribe, comment to our channel.